All right, we're gonna make a video how to switch a machine from 5 to 6, actually from 6 to 5. We got the guys here. They're in a hurry, so we're gonna teach them really fast how to switch it in 10 minutes or less. Here we go. So we're gonna get this roller inside here. We're gonna take it off. I use my professional tools. We're gonna remove this. Unedited video. I marked the pencil line right here. I told them maybe they can cut this right here. Okay, now I'm gonna use my professional tools. This is 532s, and then for the back, 316s. There's 2 small screws in here. Right here. Right there. Whoa. Whoa! Somebody's very strong at the factory, at KWM. They make very, very strong. And one more screw right there. Oh, man, that's tough. Somebody did too good of a job, yeah? I'm gonna take this roller out. You see, when you flip it over, it makes smaller because of this.
Oh, okay, I see.
See, we put it back, and now it's smaller, 5K. I get my trusted $5,000 tool, and I'm gonna spin it. See why I like? Because I can spin it like this.
Right, I see.
This, you can't spin it like, it's no good. See, like this I can spin it. So one more right here. And don't over tighten them, okay? Just a little bit, poquito. See? And right here. Tight, tight, tight. And good. You see, I didn't go, just a little bit. And then this goes back to 5. Like this. I'm charging $100 an hour for switching the machine. The only problem is it's only gonna take 10 minutes. So that's like $20.
You got good math, honey.
Oh, was that dead on? Is that $20?
You're a little off. But still fun.
How much is it?
Well, I think
For 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes, $100 an hour. I'd say it's closer to $15.
$15?
Yeah,
It's not
that's
bad.
pretty
Okay,
good.
check this out.
You're a good deal.
Check this out right here in the front. I'm lowering this to 5K. You don't need to unscrew them all the way, just a little bit. Now I just lower it to 5, right there. And I don't tighten too much, okay? I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna have Jose or Juan take the cover off right here. I'm cheating now.
Okay.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna put these back in. The secret is you gotta make sure they hold, okay? So I'm just gonna go through, pop them all in, and I'm gonna check. There's some more hidden here. Make sure your machine is disconnected, because you don't want to accidentally bump the machine on while you're working on it. Some more rollers in here. You got it, amigo? And right here. You see, amigo? I'm professional. You know, I'm factory certified with KWM. Oh. What's going on? No, I check. Okay, that's good. Amigo, check this out. I'm gonna switch this for really quick. You see why I like big tool? Because I can reach right here, and I can go from here.
Okay.
See right here, these are factory stoppers. Never touch them. Never touch factory stoppers. Right here, 5, boom. Right here. See, very comfortable. Boom. Never touch factory black settings, okay? Okay, we're done here. Right here, big tool. You see? See, I can spin like this. Professional. One more right here. You see, big tool. See, look, I spin. Okay, I lost the screw. I'm too fast. Where did it go? Oh no,
Oh, it's there.
it's right here. Don't lose it. You see right here, storage? It's 5 inch. See right here, 5 inch. The difference is right there, you see? 6 inch, 5 inch. Don't lose this, it's $250. And you put it back into storage. It's a 50-50 chance how to put it back on. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. See, then the $5,000. It's a very expensive bolt. Okay? Right here, there's rollers inside. I need to lift these. Right here. Ooh, Quan is gonna help me. And then make sure they stay on, yeah? Okay.
One more.
One more.
Uno más.
Uno más. Okay, now you check. Make sure they're locked in. Okay, and then you can look right here. Okay, looks good. Let me go. You look inside.
Oh, okay. We're looking at these guys here, make sure they're all the same, and then we're looking at these this line of rollers there, make sure that they
Okay,
all.
one more time. You look. One more time. Look one more time. Did I miss one?
Oh, yeah.
You see?
Yeah, I see it.
I did it on purpose. Okay.
Okay. I see.
You see what I'm looking for?
Right.
Because you run small gutter, one boom gutter, bye bye. But only a problem.
Right, I see.
Okay, now we put this. Big fat rollers go towards the front. I hold like this. I put screw.
Professional tool.
Professional tool. Ooh, Quan knows. That's probably gonna be the funnest switch over ever.
Thank you.
When you have Adrian and Quan, man, don't tighten it. No, don't do that. Just a little bit.
It's a professional tool.
Professional tool.
Spin.
Spin. Oh, I guess. Look, a little bit.
No
Not
problem.
too tight.
Not too tight. Okay, 2 bolts right here.
Okay.
And 2 bolts right here. You unscrew it. Don't touch anything else. No warranty if you touch it.
Okay.
You unscrew it like this. Like this. Adrian said I need to make fast video because they have a 3-hour drive. Okay, you lift and then you shake. Okay? Make sure it's flat, okay? Don't put it like that, like that. It needs to be natural, neutral. Natural, neutral? Yeah.
Both. Yeah.
Neutral. Don't over tighten it. And we're almost done. How much minutes are we at?
8 minutes 30 seconds. I think.
Ooh, 8 minutes 30. We gotta hurry up.
Almost.
Oh,
there.
right here. I need to lower these. 1. Okay, we'll come back to that one. 1, 2. Okay. Stuck? Careful, don't put your finger below. Oh, stuck. Okay.
Another try.
Use the professional tool.
Professional tool. It's brand new. Sometimes
I see.
you need to work it in. These tools right here, not for sale. Okay, one more thing. This bar right here. I'm gonna loosen. And loosen. Okay, I'm gonna move this bar that way, okay? Push, 5K. Okay, you good? 1. I keep saying 1, but that's his name. It's kind of funny. Time. Don't stop it. But
10 minutes exactly, Tony. Exactly.
10 minutes. Hey, check this out. This one has a full-size cradle. Don't stop the video. If you undo this bolt right here, you can twist the coil. You can twist it around. Right here. If you undo this, free demonstration. Look, ready? And you get a gauge right here. You can see how much feet you get. Very important. How much money you make per day. It's a money counter.
It's a money.
Yeah. There you go. I think we're all done. Thank you for watching and God bless.